How do you determine what's a major resistance support versus a regular resistance support? The SPY has been kicking my butt on options, even though I buy around those levels. Your game plan is literally how you're going to say, this is where I want to buy, this is where I want to sell. If you can't identify properly the support and resistance levels that are significant, you're never going to have the correct game plan. You're going to be buying where you shouldn't. You're going to be taking profit when you shouldn't. What you can look for is the amount of times that a level gets tested. So for example, if you were to look at right now, we take a look at the SPY, right? Here's a chart of the SPY. And now just as an example, okay, there's more structure there than, let's say, when I zoom in and we take a look at, let's say, a 15-minute chart, you have resistance right now at this level, which is 379. Now, 379, okay, is still a level of resistance because it is the gap fill. Remember the day after the Fed meeting, you had this huge gap down, okay? That gap fill has been resistance yesterday and today. That's still a level of resistance, but it's not as major of a level as the 383 because the 383 has a lot more structure to it, a lot more structure to that level, right? We go back to the daily chart. Remember, you see support there for 3 weeks in May. That level was support. Now it's resistance for the first couple, the middle here of June. So that level, that 383, becomes more significant than 379. It doesn't mean you ignore 379, but this is how you start to identify which levels are major versus which levels are more minor.